Hello all, welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned could have sentences in Tulu. Today we are going to learn may or might have sentences in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Okay, now look at these sentences. He may have seen you. They might have gone home. I might have finished this work by tomorrow. This form is used to talk about the possibility that something happened in the past and also used to refer to the present or future. First, let us see how to translate the word may into Tulu. In Tulu, there is no separate word for may. Instead, we use uncertain future tense to express possibility or uncertainty, which we have learned in the lesson number 7, uncertain future tense. For example, Yan Yellapove, I may go tomorrow, or I will probably go tomorrow. Ini Barsa Baru, it may rain today, or it will probably rain today. Aye Illad Uppe, he might be at home, or he will probably be at home. To form may or might have structure, we have to add uncertain future tense verb form of the auxiliary verb uppu to the past adverbial participle. Past adverbial participle plus uncertain future tense of the auxiliary verb uppuni. Uppuni means be. Example, baru means come. Batadu is the past adverbial participle. Batadu plus uppe, bataduppe means I may have come or I might have come. Yanu bataduppe, I might have come. E bataduppa, you might have come. Aye or ime bataduppe, he might have come. Alu or molu bataduppal, she might have come. Au or undu bataduppu, it might have come. Nama or enkulu bataduppa, we might have come. Iru or Nikulu Bataduppar, you might have come. Akulu, Mukulu, Aru or Miru Bataduppir, they might have come. Nekulu or Aikulu Bataduppa, they might have come. Okay, another example. Tu means see. Tudu is the past adverbial participle. Tudu plus uppe, tuduppe. I might have seen. Iru tuduppar, you might have seen. Next one, po means go. Podu is the past adverbial participle. Podu plus uppe, poduppe, I might have gone. Akulu poduppir, they might have gone. Next one, mugipu means finish or end. Mugitudu is the past adverbial participle. Mugitudu plus uppe. Mugituduppe, I might have finished. Nama mugituduppa, we might have finished. Okay, now let us see negative forms in this structure. To make negative forms, we have to add negative forms of the auxiliary verb uppuni in uncertain future tense to the past adverbial participle. Past adverbial participle plus negative forms of the auxiliary verb uppuni in uncertain future tense. Example, baru means come. Batadu is the past adverbial participle. Batadu plus uppaya, bataduppaya. I might have not come, or I may not have come. Yanu bataduppaya, I might have not come. E bataduppaya, you might have not come. Aye or imbe bataduppaye, he might have not come. Alu or molu bataduppayal, she might have not come. Au or undu bataduppandu, it might not have come. Nama or enkulu bataduppaya, we might not have come. Iru or nikulu bataduppayar, you might not have come. Akulu, Mukulu, Aru or Meru bataduppayir, they might not have come. Nekulo or Aikulo Batuduppaya. They might not have come. Another example, tu means see. Tudu is the past adverbial participle. Tudu plus uppaya, tuduppaya, I might not have seen. How tuduppandu, it might not have seen. Okay, now let us see few example sentences. Aye ninannu tuduppe. He might have seen you. Aye ninannu tuduppe. Akulu illade podupper. They might have gone home. Akulu illade podupper. Yanu elledulai ee belenu mugiduduppe. I may have finished this work by tomorrow. Yanu elledulai ee belen mugiduduppe. Aye ninan tuduppaye. He might not have seen you. Aye ninannu tuduppaye. Akulu illade poduppayer. They may not have gone home. Akulu illade poduppayer. Yanu elledulai ee belen mugiduduppaya. I may not have finished this work by tomorrow. Yanu elledulai ee belenu mugiduduppaya. Ayigu bus tatuduppu. He might have missed the bus. Ayigu bus tatuduppu. Perunu pucha parduppu. The cat might have drunk the milk. Perunu pucha parduppu. Enna karunu eru kandudupper. Who might have stolen my car? Enna karunu eru kandudupper. Aye ode poduppe. Where might he have gone? Aye ode poduppe. Akulu itta Mysuru etudupper. They might have reached Mysore now. Akulu itta Mysore etudupper. Ee aklen tuduppa. You might have seen them. Ee aklen tuduppa. Alegu itta madatu poduppu. She might have forgotten now. Alegu itta madatu poduppu. Iru enada sullu panduppar. You might have lied to me. Iru enada sullu panduppar. Rame nanala batuduppaye. Rama might not have come yet. Rame nanala batuduppaye. Ee idemuta kenduppaya. You might not have heard till now. Ee idemuta kenduppaya. Nikulu satya panduppayar. You might not have said the truth. Nikulu satya panduppayar. In English, we can also use should have plus past participle structure to express more certainty while guessing about events that might have happened. For example, he should have reached Bangalore by now. Here we are guessing that he reached Bangalore and we are certain about it. In Tulu, we have slightly different form to express certainty while guessing about events that might have happened. The auxiliary verb uppu is used with potential mood suffix odu instead of uncertain future tense. Past adverbial participle plus uppoDu. Example, po means go. Podu is the past adverbial participle. Podu plus uppoDu, poduppodu, should have gone. Baru means come. Batudu is the past adverbial participle. Batudu plus uppodu, batuduppodu, should have come. Aye itta Bangalore etuduppodu. He should have reached Bangalore by now. Aye itta Bangalore etuduppodu. Akulu ini kanda poduppodu. They should have gone this morning. Akulu ini kanda poduppodu. Aru ಈತು ಪುರ್ತುಗು ಜೆತುದುಪ್ಪೊಡು. He or she should have slept by now. Aru ಈತು ಪುರ್ತುಗು ಜೆತುದುಪ್ಪೊಡು. ಈ ಬೇಲೆನು ಈಯೆ ಮಲ್ತದುಪ್ಪೊಡು. ಬೇತೆ ಏರ್ಲಾತ್ತು. You only must have done this work, no one else. ಈ ಬೇಲೆನು ಈಯೆ ಮಲ್ತದುಪ್ಪೊಡು. ಬೇತೆ ಏರ್ಲಾತ್ತು. Okay, that's all we had for the day. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.